Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the thumbnail on your Facebook Reels video. Stick around until the end, it's really easy. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, create a Reel video. You can either record using Facebook's camera or upload a video from your device's gallery. After editing your Reel, go ahead and post it on Facebook. Once it's live, head over to your profile to change the thumbnail. Now, find the Reel video you want to update. You can find all your Reels under the Videos or Reels tab on your profile. Once you locate the Reel, tap on it to open. On the right side of the video player screen, tap the three dots in the bottom right corner. A menu will pop up, and from there, select Edit Reel. Now you'll see the current thumbnail. Tap on it, and a new screen will appear. Here, you can either pick a frame from the video or upload a custom thumbnail. To choose a frame, simply drag the slider to select the one you want. If you want to use a custom image, tap Choose from Gallery or choose a different photo. This will open your device's gallery, where you can pick an image or a custom design thumbnail. Once you've selected your thumbnail, tap Save to apply it. Then, tap Save again to update the Reel with a new thumbnail. And that's it. You've now changed the thumbnail on your Facebook Reel, making it more attractive and engaging for viewers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.